In this video, I want to show you how to create raster contour from digital elevation model in ERDAS Imagine. So let's go to ERDAS Imagine. And when we talk of a raster contour, it is a raster data set representing ISO lines that connect points of equal value within another raster, such as elevation, temperature, or precipitation. These raster contours are created as simple raster layer for visualization and provide a continuous view of how value changes across a surface. So I want to show you how to create it in ERDAS Imagine. And to do that, as we are at the view, just right click at this view and bring in the digital elevation model. So to do that, I will click on open raster layer. So I will navigate to my recent folder where I have it and click on OK. So I want to use any of these digital elevation model. I will select it and click on OK. So I can right click and fit to frame so that you can see my digital elevation model. Now to create the raster contour, come to terrain. Here is terrain. Then come to raster contour here. Click on it. This will open the raster contour table. Here you have to bring in the digital elevation model you want to use. So let's click here to navigate to that digital elevation model. I'll click on recent, click on OK. So I want to use this digital elevation model, the one I'm showing you at the view. Click on OK. So it has been inputted. Now the output, let's specify our output. Let's just call it contour. And you can see the file type is TIF. So click on OK. Now the contour interval, let's say 5 meters apart. And here we can see the minimum and we can see the maximum contour range. So specify your interval and leave the contour range at default and click on OK. So what it does is to create raster contour from your digital elevation model, which will help us to visualize the changes in the elevation data. Yes, it is done. Then we can dismiss this and close this process list. Then what to do is to bring that raster contour in, and to do that, just right click here and click on open raster layer. Then let's navigate to our recent folder, click OK, and here is it, the contour we created. Then click on OK. You can see it has been added. You can see our raster contour here, and you can see it. So it helps us to visualize the changes in raster dataset, especially elevation or temperature. So this is how to create raster contour in ERDAS Imagine. If you have any questions or if you have any challenge practicing, let us know in the comment section. We'll be available to respond to your question. Thank you for watching.